Do you know what?
What?
We started this. I liked all three cars. I still do. But my conviction that the Bentley is the best is now absolute.
I still find it slightly sort of...
What?
There's still a slight hint of faux toffery about it, which suits you very well, obviously. But the great thing about the Nissan is it's just a finely honed driving instrument.
Well, no, on the Nürburgring, yours
Don't
is
mention
awesome.
the Nürburgring.
But that's what it's for, James.
No, it's not.
And Jeremy, your BM, it does look brilliant.
There you go.
It's a very competent motor car, the BMW.
That's
but
damning with fake praise, that is, May.
Yes, exactly.
Yours is a bit too Dolce & Gabbana. Yours is a bit too Poundland. They're both brilliant cars, make no mistake.
What are you doing, by the way?
Claymores, they're mines. I brought them from Britain. Ring our campsites with claymores, then any animal that comes, it will become a veneer.